You know, the world's always changing, right? And with that, the way we make money is changing too. Gone are the days when the only way to earn a buck was to clock in and out of a 9 to 5. But now, there are so many unique and honestly more fun ways to fill up your wallet without sticking to the old school grind. In this video, I am going to show you the 7 unconventional ways to make money in 2024. These methods don't require you to wear a suit and sit in an office all day. Whether you're tech-savvy or a creative soul or someone who just loves to think outside the box, there's something out there for you. So let's get into it. First up we have selling photos online. If you've got a knack for capturing moments, whether it's through the lens of the latest iPhone or a top-tier Canon DSLR, the good news is your passion for photography can actually fill your pockets. Here's the scoop. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned pro or just love snapping pics as a hobby. Selling your photos online is a brilliant move for creatives itching to make some extra cash. And guess what? Getting started is pretty straightforward, especially if you've already got a collection of stunning shots. Think about partnering up with a local print shop to get your photos printed on high-quality paper or unique materials. Or, if you're up for it, invest in a decent home printer and handle the printing yourself. This way you can offer numbered and signed prints right from your own website to buyers anywhere. You can also explore different avenues for selling your photos, like licensing them to stock photos like Shutterstock, Pixabay, or Pexels to drum up more interest in your work. Just a heads up, you'll need a camera, some photo editing software, and a plan for an e-commerce platform to get the ball rolling. All right, the second unconventional moneymaker this year is becoming a social media consultant. Now this is for those of you who live and breathe the online world. You know who you are. Always the first to try out the newest social media platform, you've got a sixth sense for what's about to trend and can craft a catchy post like nobody's business. So what's the deal with being a social media consultant? Well, it's all about using those killer instincts and skills to help other brands shine online. Imagine brainstorming the next viral campaign, crafting strategies that get people talking, producing jaw-dropping videos or graphics, and writing the kind of copy that makes people hit that follow button. You can start by building and showcasing your own social media presence. It's the best portfolio you could have. Networking is your best friend here. Reach out, make connections, and let people know what you're capable of. You're going to need some solid social media wins under your belt, so experience is key, but don't be afraid of working for free in the beginning so you can grab some testimonials from happy clients. Business owners are so busy with the day-to-day of running their business, most of them hardly have time to post on social media, let alone spend the time figuring out how it works, and this is where you come in. The third way to make money is blogging. If you've already got a blog or you love writing, you're halfway there. It's a fantastic way to make money from home on your own terms. Getting started could just take a few hours to set up your blogging platform and lay out your plan. Initially, you'll need to invest a moderate effort to get things rolling. Now, while loads of businesses pump out blogs to funnel traffic to their products, there's a whole other side to this world. There are a bunch of ways to make your blog bring in money. Firstly, Google AdSense, which pays you just for being on your site. Next, there's affiliate links that earn you a commission for recommending products to your audience. And then you have sponsored posts where brands pay you to talk about their stuff. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Blogging might be a low-investment way to start a small business, but patience is key. It's going to take some time before you start seeing significant returns. Dive into SEO, search engine optimization, to get people flocking to your site and explore all the different ways you can make your blog work for you. Okay, let's talk about the fourth savvy strategy, becoming a reseller. Reselling is all about taking something that already exists and finding it a new home, ideally for a bit more than what you paid for it. It could be anything from vintage finds that you've dusted off from a garage sale to being the go-to person for a certain brand in your area. And if you've got a knack for spotting trends, how about curating a collection of products from different brands and selling them through your own online store? A few things to keep in mind. Sourcing products to resell can be as easy as flipping through a wholesale directory or shooting an email to potential partners. And if you're eyeing the trending products route, platforms like AliExpress can be gold mines for items you can sell under your own brand, often with options for customization. You'll need an online store to showcase and sell your curated or resold items. And in some scenarios, you might find yourself signing a contract with brands to officially resell their products. So if you're looking for an unconventional way to pad your wallet in 2024 without the hassle of product development, stepping into the world of reselling could be your ticket to success. And the fifth unconventional way to earn money in 2024 is through flipping domains or websites. For this, you have to be on the lookout for those unique, catchy domain names or websites that haven't quite shown their full potential yet. The thing is, as the digital landscape gets more crowded, those standout domains are becoming rare, making them even more valuable. It's like finding a diamond in the rough. When you've got something that a business feels is just perfect for their brand, they're willing to pay a premium for it. And flipping domains isn't just a game of chance. It's about having the insight to see what's going to be big and understanding market trends. Getting started could be as simple as picking up a promising domain at a good price, then waiting for the right moment and the right buyer to see the value you saw. Think of it like real estate or stock investing, but in the digital realm. The key is knowing what to look for and having the patience to wait for your investment to mature. An example would be websites with the name AI in them. A few years ago, this wouldn't have been big, but now these websites could go for thousands of dollars. The sixth way to make money is live streaming on Twitch. Now you might be wondering, how does talking about my hobby actually turn into cash? Well, it's about bringing your fans closer and giving them ways to show their support. Your most loyal fans might just tip you, simply because they appreciate the joy you bring into their day. Plus, there's always room to get creative with special content that only subscribers can access, making your community feel even more exclusive. And the cherry on top is that Twitch will share ad revenue with you as well as money from subscriptions. Starting out, remember, it's all about showing up and sharing what you're passionate about consistently. You'd be surprised how much people are willing to support creators they feel connected to. Just make sure you've got the basics down, like a decent camera and mic, and you're pretty much ready to roll. Keep in mind the age thing, though, especially for the monetization part on platforms like Twitch. If you made it this far, go ahead and smash that like button, as it really helps the channel. Rolling into the final unconventional way to make money in 2024, narrating audiobooks. It's a pretty magical way to make money, especially if you're someone who loves reading and has been told you've got a voice that could soothe a baby or entertain a crowd. And where do you find these gigs? There are platforms out there like ACX, Bunny Studio, or Voices, bustling with authors and publishers on the hunt for that perfect voice to bring their characters and narratives to life. Now, if you've been thinking about making a splash, why not go the extra mile? Setting up your own website and posting samples of your narration work can do wonders. It's like rolling out a red carpet for recruiters, giving them a front row seat to your voice's versatility and style, without them having to scout you out in the wild. If you've ever wondered what the biggest myths about money are, watch this video next.